This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. A little hidden gem neighborhood featuring tree-lined streets and quaint affordable brick homes. This home features fresh paint, hardwood floors throughout, replacement windows, new stainless steel appliances, new bath vanity, new ceiling fans, architectural 30-year roof replaced November 2020, new garbage disposal, oversized detached one-car garage wired for surround sound plus heating and air conditioner units with finished walls. Beautifully updated kitchen with cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel sink, and tile backsplash. Spacious treed fenced yard. This home is move-in ready. Be sure not to miss out. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757